Hello, my name is Aspen Taylor. I'm a student at Embry-Riddle, and last spring in 2021, I got my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I was in the Accelerate program, so I got a head start on my master's by taking a few classes during my undergrad, and this fall semester I will be graduating with my master's in mechanical engineering, so I'm very excited. Currently, I live in Salem, Massachusetts, but I will be moving back to my hometown, Port St. Lucie, Florida, in November. I moved up here originally to live with my boyfriend because he lives up here, but we both decided it'll be best to move back down to Florida. So I'm very excited to get back home and back to my beaches and get a nice tan. I was born in Ocala, Florida, but I only spent a year of my life there. So I didn't really grow up there. I grew up in Port St. Lucie, Florida, which is 2 hours south of Daytona on the east coast of Florida. I do go back to visit Ocala. My sister lives there right now with her newborn baby. It's very woodsy and it has a lot of land, so compared to Florida and its beaches, it's very serene. And the downtown area is very cool and historic. In the engineering field, I'm very interested in the biomedical engineering aspect. I took a lot of biomechanics courses, biosolids, biofluids, and I'm very interested in starting a career in that field, and hopefully I will soon. This course, I expect to learn more about design optimization and how I can apply it to my biomedical engineering field and how cost efficiency in the material selection process comes into play. My experience includes some research I've done throughout my years as a student with my advisor. We worked on a musculoskeletal model developed in OpenSim, and it just incorporated a bunch of models and muscles, and we added ligaments and tendons to help us to aid us in our other research going on, which was the ACL injury research, and that took place in a motion capture lab, and I got to get familiar with the Vicon and Nexus system, and it was I very much enjoyed working in a lab setting and dealing with motion capture and troubleshooting, no matter how much of a pain it was during that time at the time. But I enjoyed everything I learned and all the knowledge I received from it. I also very much enjoyed writing my pre-thesis in muscle atrophy in space and how we can learn more about it by utilizing methods down here on Earth. And also last summer I did a test engineer internship at Pratt & Whitney in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I helped run jet engines, and it was a very cool experience. It wasn't in my field of interest, but I did get to see how the company worked inside and how the assembly engineers, test engineers, quality engineers, how different type of engineers work together and communicated with each other. Some of my hobbies include reading. I love going to the gym. I'm very active. I'm into lifting weights, and I also love the beach, which is why I'm moving back to Florida because they have the best beaches there, and I'm missing it very much. I love sports. I used to play soccer and played varsity volleyball in high school. I'm also doing jiu-jitsu and Muay Thai, and I also added a picture of my two cats because they're my babies and I love them. Their name are Diego and Piper. One's 7 months old and one's 3 years old. With all that being said, I look forward to this semester with you and hope all goes well.